Hi, this is a demo video for Culturing, our web app that allows users to find their favorite movies, books, songs, and TV shows, allows them to recommend them to their friends and to their family. So to begin with, we are on the homepage for Culturing, and I'm going to show you some of the features that we've implemented so far. So as it says right up here, it says please sign up for an account at Culturing, so I'm going to go ahead and do so. So I'll click on sign up, and it'll take us to a sign up page. Now to demo our features that we've made, I'm gonna go through two different accounts, one that I'll make right here and then one that's a pre-made one as well. So to begin with, what I'm gonna do is create a new account for Bob. I'm gonna say at yahoo.com and we're gonna say the password is 123456, 123456, and sign up. And we have created a brand new account. So it says right over here our email. It gives us a little bell for any notifications that we get. Right now we don't have any. And a section for profile editing. So if we clicked right here, it should take us to a account where we can edit that. But right now it's only working for pre-made ones. So we'll demo that in a second. All right. So to show that our authentication works as well, I'm going to click on sign out, and you'll notice we're not Bob anymore. And we're going to sign in real quick, and we're going to use the same email but a different password. So Bob at yahoo.com, and we're going to say 123456 this time. Log in. Oh, there's an error, so let's try 123456. Awesome, it works. So we have some options for our login page. We can go to our library. We can create a new media, so our new book, movie, song. We have a media path, which is a little confusing. We'll get to that in a minute, and we can write reviews as well. So begin with, we're going to go to our user library, which since we are a brand new user, we have a bookshelf that is completely empty. So this bookshelf is going to house all the things that you want to watch eventually or you want to read. So in the case that you're looking through different things and you want to save it for later, it will be stored right here. And once you have watched it, you can come back, write a review for that item, and it'll be added to your final bookshelf. So there are two different ways to adding things to the bookshelf. We can either go to our search bar right up here, which works, and we can go to our new media object. Now, however, our search bar, I'll show you it in process. If we look for, say, for example, Jaws, it'll load up and we have 3 different Jaws titles. However, we can't directly add it to our library quite yet, so we're going to go ahead and do it the other way. But this is what the search page looks like. We have a section for movies, a section for books, songs, TV shows, and in the case you can't find it, you can also add it from here. So let's go back and let's create a brand new media object. And this media object, we already have 2 different Star Wars, but we're going to add the latest, the second latest, the 7th one. So if we search for Star Wars, we have episode 4 and 5. I'm going to go ahead and skip number 6, and we're going to use number 7. So we're going to type in Star Wars 7, and it is The Force Awakens. And it was created on December 18th, 2015. So 2015, I'm gonna say 12, and we are gonna do December 18th, right? Yeah. All right. So the creators, we have some pre-made creators. Creators are just people that made the medium. So right now we have a list of pre-made ones, but we can create a new one since we don't have one for J.J. Abrams. So let's create a brand new one, and we're going to say J. Abrams. Is that how you spell it? Abrams, yep. I'll click on him, and he was born 1966. All right, and he is a director. So we are going to create him, and let's retype in all that. So let's say episode number 7, and it is Force Awakens, The Force Awakens, The Force Awakens, and the release date was December 18th, 2015. 18th, my bad. Alright. And creator is J.J. Abrams. It is a movie. And we have a section right here for pictures. However, it's not working at the current moment, so I'm just going to put in a filler one. So let's submit that. And you'll notice now in Bob's library, we have Star Wars the 7th, The Force Awakens, and we have it both in our watch list and our movies. And we can click on it as well. And from here, the idea is we could write a review or we could remove it from the watch list, and it would give us all the pretty information about that movie. Also have recommendations from our friends and reviews from all the other people that are close to you. And right here as well, it shows the same thing. All right. So that's pretty much it for Bob that I'm going to show you. If I sign out, I'm going to go ahead and sign into the test user account. So test user 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Log in, call him test user. And as I said before, the profile page should work. So if I click here, you can see that we have a user, has some cool information about himself, different things that were recently added to his library, some reviews that he's written as well, and some of his friends. Now, right now, this is just filler, but once we get it working, it should fill out. All right, so let's go back to our library, and you'll notice he has some things in here already. So he has 2 songs, he has Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, 2 Jurassic Parks, and a watch list is filled with all of it. So like we did before, we can search for stuff. We can search for Brooklyn, as in Brooklyn Nine-Nine, have some filler 98 and 97. And we can go back up where it says New Media Review. We can click here, and it has some filler stuff for whenever users decide they want to write a review for that given movie. And we have media path, which is currently broken. What it should redirect to you is a whole entire library filled with every single item in our database. And new media takes you back to this page. Alright, so that's about it for culturing. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you follow along with the development of our web app. Thank you so much.